Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open the pre-installed application, Phone Manager, tap agree and continue, and after you open it, it will automatically make an scan of your device and will suggest some actions which you can perform in order to optimize your device, but usually it just optimizes it automatically. All you need to do is to just tap optimize button and it automatically makes a cleanup, checks your privacy, security protection, like general settings, and overall optimizes your device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.